Hello everyone. Welcome today on Saturday, September the 4th, 2021. We have here in this additional with extra Sudokus and puzzles, 6 puzzles. The first one is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2-star Sudoku, 3 stars Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle number 1, tectonic with 1 puzzle, and that's all. Those are puzzles not interested, so total of 6 extra Sudokus or puzzles. And today on Saturday I will do 3 of them. Those are the 3 stars Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. Tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I will do the rest of the puzzles, the letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, and a tectonic with 1 star. But first we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3345. Yes, before I start I always count the printed digits. Well, those printed digits, 25. There are 25, correct me if I'm wrong, but the 3 stars is always 25. And for 3-star Sudoku, if it's really a 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. I see here in this row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 4. We have a 5 and a 4 in this big square, so no 5 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 5 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Yeah. Let me put the 5 and the 4 here. I do not like to mark those boxes because it's not in one big square, but well, let me see. So the other 3 numbers here, we have 5 and a 4. The other 3 numbers are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 1, 2 and 8. Yeah, 1, 2 and 8, 1, 2 and 8, 8, 1. Yeah, 1, 2 and 8. Okay, I cannot fill this yet. Let me see. Then next strategy, how about this big square? 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and 8. We have a 9 and 8 in this row, so no 9 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Wow, 9 and 8. Okay. Then the other 2 numbers in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 5 and the 4. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Alright. 5, 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 7, 7. Yeah. 5, 5. Okay. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. There 1, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. So now we have 2 numbers left. 1 to 8. The 1 is already used. The 2 and the 8 are missing in these 2 boxes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 7, and then 9. Yes, 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the last column. For the number 1, the 2 is missing. All right. Then. 2, 3, 8, 4. Okay. Let me see these 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7, 7. And the 9 is missing. Yes. We the third row. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then yeah. So we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 9. How about, we have a pair in this big square. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. Same story with 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2. No 2 there, so the 2 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 2 and the 9. All right. All right. Let me see. 6. This should be a 6. Complicated. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. All right. All right, 4, 4. Then 3 and 8. Let me see. 2, 3. 1, 1. 7, 7. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. Yeah. 5 in this row. 5 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Oh, all right. All right. Then 2, 2, 2, 2, yes. 2, 5, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this column. So no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7. All right. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. All right. Then 1 number left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. All right. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6. All right. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. All right. So we have a 6. Wait. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. All right. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 number left in this column, 1, 2, the 3 is missing. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and the 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have 8 here. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. This box should be a 2. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 2 and a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 8 are missing. Can I fill this yet? No. Wow. Need more information. 7 and 8. Okay. Okay. Interesting. 8, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8, it could be here, it could be there. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. One number left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in the third column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2, and the 3 are missing. 2 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And the 2 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in the third column. So the column between the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, together with the 8 we have a pair. 4 and the 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. 3 and the 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 7. Finished in 17 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. So is this really a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 17 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle in this additional. I will do today on Saturday a binary puzzle for you. Yes. See you later. Bye-bye for now.